Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into what we believe is the best reusable bottle on the market right now. The BJPKPK Insulated Water Bottle, 18 ounces in the stylish sky color. If you're looking for a hydration companion that's equal parts functional, fashionable, and eco-conscious, you're in the right place. Let's kick things off by taking a closer look at the design. The first thing you'll notice about the BJPKPK bottle is its minimalist yet vibrant aesthetic. The powder-coated finish doesn't just give it that eye-catching pop of color. It's also non-slip and scratch resistant, ensuring that your bottle looks good no matter how rough your adventures get. The sky color is subtle and calming, making it a great match whether you're carrying it through a hike, placing it on your desk at work, or stashing it in your gym bag. But this bottle is more than just good looks. It's constructed with high-quality 18/8 stainless steel. That's food grade and built to last. It's both rust-resistant and BPA-free, which means no weird metallic aftertaste and absolutely no plastic leaching into your drink. The lid is BPA-free too and ensures your water tastes exactly the way it should. Now let's talk about insulation. This double-walled vacuum insulation is where the BJPKPK really shines. It keeps your drinks cold for up to 24 hours and hot for up to 12. That means your coffee stays piping hot through the morning commute, and your ice water stays chilled even during an all-day hike or a long day in the sun. And despite this impressive thermal retention, the outside remains completely sweat-proof. No more annoying condensation rings on your desk or damp gym bags. Portability is another major plus. At 18 ounces, it hits a sweet spot between capacity and convenience. It's large enough to keep you hydrated for hours but still compact enough to fit in most car cup holders, side pockets on backpacks, or even in your hand comfortably. And yes, it comes with a built-in strap, a small detail, but one that makes a big difference when you're carrying it on the go. The lid design is also built with your daily routine in mind. It screws on tightly and is completely leak-proof, which means no spills in your bag. Whether you're running errands, hitting the gym, or traveling, this bottle is designed to keep up with your day without making a mess. Let's not forget the environmental impact. Choosing a reusable water bottle like this one helps cut down on single-use plastics. And because it's so durable, you're not going to be replacing it anytime soon. It's a long-term investment in both your health and the planet. It's dishwasher safe. Cleaning your water bottle shouldn't be a hassle, and with this one, it isn't. Just toss it in the dishwasher and it's ready for the next use, no scrubbing required. And the final touch, the style factor. It doesn't just work well, it looks great too. Whether you're at the office, in class, at the gym, or out on a trail, this bottle complements your lifestyle without sacrificing performance. So there you have it. The BJPKPK Insulated Water Bottle isn't just a bottle. It's a hydration solution that balances style, substance, and sustainability. At just under $10, it's an incredible value for what you get. If you're ready to upgrade your daily routine with the best reusable bottle out there, this might just be the one. Thanks for watching Product Critique. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more in-depth product reviews. See you in the next video.